We have lasers that can treat wrinkles, acne scars, stretch marks, brown spots, red discoloration of the face. The Vein Center we have multiple lasers. 2 lasers that can treat spider veins and 1 laser that can treat the bulging varicose veins on your legs. This is a new stretch mark laser. It's the only FDA-approved laser for stretch marks and the only FDA-approved treatment for stretch marks. And with only 3 to 6 treatments, we can get 50% improvement in those embarrassing stretch marks. Stretch marks are a form of scars, and you really can't treat scars by putting on lotions or potions. You really have to get down there and change the tissue, and this laser does that. It actually goes down and remodels the scar tissue. The laser is going down at these settings to 600 microns, which is deep enough to change the stretch marks. Well, vein disease is a common disease. It occurs in 25% of women, 15% of men, and it commonly shows up as bulging veins in the legs or spider veins in the legs. Bulging veins can cause swelling, pain, achiness at night, tired feeling, and the nice thing about it is nowadays it's easy to treat. There's easy treatments for it. Insurance covers that, and often it's with minimal downtime and no side effects. First of all, we evaluate the patient. We'll take a look at them with physical exam, and then we have an on-site duplex ultrasound where we can actually look at the veins and see where the problem is. If we see a problem with reverse flow, then we can document that, and that's what we need to treat first. We have about 5 lasers that we can use to shoot the laser through the skin that will actually coagulate the blood vessel and make it go away without using a needle or anything like that. And we can pick the laser that best suits your veins. The new treatment that we use is the inside the vein treatment with a laser. So we actually advance a laser fiber into the vein, and then as we fire the laser, it scars down the vein and takes away the bulging vein, all done inside the vein, which decreases pain and swelling and downtime afterwards.
So what does the radio frequency do? How does it tighten and lift?
So what's going on is we're driving heat at a certain frequency into the skin. It's going to create these little micro tears into the skin, a lot like exercise. You know, when you build muscle, you create little micro tears in the muscle tissue. Same thing is kind of happening with the collagen and elastin in the skin. Generally, 6 treatments is the protocol for tightening of skin. Depending on how severe or loose the skin is, we could need maybe 8. But in general, 6 treatments is where I like to start and see what we're going to end up with. We have many other therapeutic and beneficial treatments for body here at La Fontaine, whether it's stimulating the metabolism to help increase the weight loss, stretch marks, scars. Cellulite is our biggest one here at La Fontaine. The Cellulite Center here is got 6 different treatments that actually can help benefit cellulite. It lasts about an hour for each treatment. When you're doing accent just by itself, I generally like to do the treatment 6 weeks apart. You will see your results continue up to 3 months after your final treatment.
Dr. Olasek, I love this picture because I think it really demonstrates all the different things that you're able to do here at La Fontaine. This is an actual patient of yours, is that right?
Oh, that's right. Let me tell you about what we did to this patient. We treated her skin with laser resurfacing, and then around her mouth, we used, in addition to laser resurfacing, we used some filler that is a gel we injected under the skin to kind of plump out those smoker's lines. In addition, we used some filler, which is an injection that goes under her eyes to kind of plump her cheeks and make her look rejuvenated. And the Botox we used on the outside of her eyes to kind of lift that eyebrow to give her that awake look.
And it's all non-surgical.
Yes, and that's the great thing, is this is all done without surgery, minimal downtime, and very minimal pain. Now make that frown for me. Okay, great. Relax now all the way. Great. Poke.
What does Botox do?
So what Botox does is it relaxes the muscles and lets you smooth out those lines, giving you a relaxed, freshened, awake look.
And I think that the stereotype out there is that it's going to be a frozen look, but that's not it at all.
No, you can adjust it now and really make it look very natural. I mean, the most common people that I have come in say they just don't want to look tired, they don't want to look angry, and that really helps.
And I'll be honest, as a new mom, I'm so tired every single day. It's nice to have that Botox just to fake like I had a good night's sleep when I didn't. And I have an exciting ladies' night out to tell you about here at La Fontaine on November 17th at 6 p.m. The first 10 viewers who email email me, Nancy@myamericanwoman.com, are invited. One lucky viewer wins a free photo facial that's worth $350. Everybody else can buy a photo facial at 50% off, and you can also prepay for some services that you want to get done at 20% off. Again, email me, Nancy@myamericanwoman.com.